Hi guys, Adam at Leighton Vans. Got something a little bit different for you today. We've got our brand new Carlex kit fitted to this T6204. Now it's base van, it's a 204 DSG, extremely high spec, night heater, sunroof, everything like that. But what we're going to focus on today is the kit, starting with the new front end. So it's an entirely new front bumper, looks really, really cool now it's fitted. Obviously this van's got the LED headlights which finishes it off nicely. You've got the gloss black grills, body coloured badge, and then all of the bottom in the middle is gloss black as well. And we'll move on to the side, we'll have a look down there. On the side we've got the Carlex side skirts. Now the van's obviously had our full LV treatment as well as the body kit, so it's been lowered 40mm. It's also got the staggered axe wheels. These are the EX30s in 20-inch, so the 8.5s on the front, 10s on the rears, Uniroyal tyres as well. At the back of the van we've got the Carlex wraparound tailgate spoiler along with the Carlex diffuser and quad exhaust. Again, looks really, really cool, nice and different. The interior has also had the LV treatment, so we've got the normal interior lining pack, so insulation, carpet, suede, LED lights and stuff like that. But we've actually got the Carlex leather kit in here as well, so it's like a leather Alcantara, sort of a GTI stitch on it, but again, that's something completely different to what we've done before and looks really, really cool. Moving on to the front of the van, we've got the Carlex steering wheel in there. Again, Carlex leather kit on the front seats as well. We've also got, like I say, we've got the night heater, the sunroof, heated seats, comfort dash, extremely high spec vehicle. If you want any more information on the vehicle, head to www.leightonvans.co.uk. Feel free to drop us an email at info@leightonvans.co.uk or give us a call. Thanks guys.